Let us see how to edit the text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So first of all, I'm gonna add the text. Now there are two ways in which you can add the text: by using this type tool, or you can also use the MoGrad files or the templates from the Essential Graphics as well. So I'll show you both the ways. First of all, I'll show you how to edit this text. So I'm gonna add this text using the type tool. Say hello. And as soon as you add this text, this graphics object is created in the timeline. And then if you just double click on that, or if you just even single click on this on the right hand side in the Essential Graphics in the edit tab, you can edit the text properties. So you can change the font size, then regular, bold, etc., spacing, etc. All these settings are possible. And if you want to edit it, just double click on this, and then you can edit like this as well, XYZ. Now I have selected this video clip, and let us say I want to edit this text once again. So what you have to do is that make sure that the text tool is selected, or the type tool is selected by clicking on this. Once that is done, you can just directly come on here, and then you can see that the symbol I is being shown, which means that you can directly edit the text as well. So just click here and then do PQR, for example, or if you want to delete this, you can delete it as well. And if you want to change other properties of this text, you can change this from the right hand side. For example, let us make it bold. So basically you have to select this and then change the settings, and as you can see, the text is changed, the font is changed basically. Now let us see how to edit the MoGrad templates. So I'm gonna delete this text, just press delete, and then it is gone. Now you can get the MoGrad templates from the Essential Graphics browse tab. So I'm just gonna use this one and then drag it on the timeline. Once it is on the timeline, also make sure that you select this text tool or the type tool, and then take the mouse, and you can see that this text is highlighted in this red color. You can just click and then change XYZ, for example. It is such a simple way to edit the text in Adobe Premiere. Thank you for watching.